e don red inside Ghana because protesters now don't hit street. They don't go there, go they complain about the police killing, the military killing where they happen, and the insecurity stuff where they happen inside the country. Sure, at least in only one place, now this whole thing they happen for. I don't know, say this one self don't enter Ghana. It don't they reach everywhere. People don't they wake up, everybody eye don't clear. On herself, and I go promise change, and they give them another thing. Now there people self don't bust out, they do their own protest. And this whole protest now NDC party now in the host up. Me I dey reason say some political things dey inside this whole matter because if say na normal use like the whole country people come out and say okay they won't do this kind of thing for reason and well. But this time be say na only NDC youths now they host this kind of thing, my people. If like say something dey inside. But now they come outside they talk about the fix the country wahala. Say things no good for the country. Say people dey hunger. Make their president Akufo-Addo do something about this whole matter. My people, make now follow me watch. As this protest they go for road, now so they go on different social media platforms. Now so people say carry their billboard, they talk about this whole thing. Say that they hungry. Say in fact, I want to thank their own police. Because they provide security for them. See, as police carry motor, like say what won't even happen. Gather for road, they guide road. Say people they protest. Why Nigeria police no do this kind of thing during our own Lekki protest? On they see country, on they see unity. But my people beg, as na stand here, make na use one leg, make one leg there for another place. As na leg there for here, make the second one dey house. In case president go give another law, say okay, make they start to dey shoot. Now we know say na don jackpot reach in a house. Make they no go do wetin for happen for Lekki. The shooting wey happen for Lekki, make they no come repeat am for here. But I sure say this one now, big people dey among. Say people dey complain, say hungry, they say everything don increase. So to be saying now one cedi, it don't turn to 50 cedis. Everything don't increase times 3. So people now they really vex. My Ghana neighbor people are beg. I don't know as want to beg this our president, but me I the reason I beg. What will do exchange? Maybe Buhari come and say small, maybe just for like 2 months. Make we self contact Nanado. Maybe na go come see the difference. Na go understand. Say in fact, on they enjoy. Nigeria that gonna say this one when they even complain. Na never see Foko. Na still they learn. But I beg, President Nanado, I beg, do something about this whole matter. People they really vex, people they complain, say hungry day, say everything don't change. The two way you promise them, no be this one you bring. You come there say you want come touch lives, you don't come turn their lives all around. Things don't even change for everybody. Transport will go be small money before it don't increase. It means that this whole thing, it blessing at the whole of Africa and they suffer this whole sufferness. But I like as in these people say don't come outside. They gather the morale, come outside, come complain. Because the people they keep quiet. One day, last everybody go just die inside the country. We say person they close mouth. Fine, you do some things good. Why people they complain? Because recently, now so they gather, they arrest some people. They even arrest one celebrity, Efia Odo, because of this fix the country protest. So I hope say this one said they don't one letter here say they don't go arrest some people, they don't go catch some people. We don't want to hear that one. People they come outside, they speak their mind, they talk their mind. So listen to them. If you know say go fit do something about them, do the thing about them. No be saying I go the ear for 1 year, the thing go to come outside for 1 year because you and Buhari na be 5 and 6. But I don't know behind the same sickness where they worry and they follow yourself. So I beg do something about this whole thing. I don't know who go follow you talk about. I don't know who go come beg you. Tell you say people they vex. So now people go come outside. This thing fit go turn to another thing. Make you no come go be like Nigeria or we say so now kata will come boss. So we say people will come they fight and police and they do all this kind of thing. Now make people don't come outside now. They tell you. But this NDC I don't know. But for their election now, who go win or who no go win, we never know. Because it just be like party. Now it just blessing our 2 parties now they tackle themselves. Now so they reason the thing. We don't know who good, we don't know who bad. It will just be like APC and PDP. Now, so this one sef just be NPP and NDC. Now, the two major parties, me I just see and say na tackling. They just want, if this one bring you, this one say go bring you. My people, maybe they see as this thing they go. I hear this one inside Ghana, come make I bring and come on aside, make na service na here. Here wetin dey happen. Anything wey na feel, make na no forget to write am for the comment section. Make na no forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for our next video.